How to send empty message in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there's no way for you and no option to send an empty or blank message in Messenger. For example, if I wanted to type a blank message with a space, there's no option for me to send this. But luckily there's an easy workaround that we can use in order for us to do that. So what we need to do is go ahead and open up any browser you have and search for empty message. And as you can see, there's a lot of websites right here, but they basically all do the same job and work the same way. So pick and choose any one of them that you like. I'm going to choose this random one. And basically what these websites do is they give you a blank message that you can copy and paste, just like you see in this conversation right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's copy this blank message and then go back to our conversation and paste it right here. As you can see, once you paste this blank message, you will get the option to send it. So go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the message now has been sent as blank space or blank message. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send blank messages on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.